She doesn't even know what it is.
I have no idea what it is.
She knows this from Best Stop.
That's all I know. Still don't know what it is.
What do you think it is?
I was thinking like the tops for the top or something. Or the box. That's what it is. Security box.
Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding.
That's what it is. Security box.
The Best Stop version does come with a set of instructions with details step by step on what to do. According to the instructions, the first thing we should do is check to see if it's all here. The back panel, one of the side panels, the top panel, so that's the back. Now you're going to tighten and snug that up. That's where your 10 millimeter is going to come in. It is a carriage bolt, so once it gets tight, it's going to lock it in. Step 2, get your side panels. This beveled and concaved edge, that's what's going to bolt into the side of your tub. Step 3, get your weather strip and install it. Start by peeling a little bit off the end on the driver's side. I'm peeling it as I go. Weather strip installed. So if you have a rugging on the back, that's going to stick out pretty far. And because it sticks out through here, it's probably not going to let this seal properly. When the trunk is locked, people won't be able to get into what's in there. Now my 97 TJ, it already has the zerch right there. They might have already had a trunk in here at one time. But if not, you'd be drilling out these holes with a pilot hole, and then you'd be putting the new zerts in. Let's find out if the one I got fits. So I'm gonna poke around until I find where the soft spot is, and then I know that that's where my bolt has to go. Here's a little trick that I learned when putting the carpet in the YJ. I need a nice little hole for my bolt to go through. So I've heated up a soldering iron, and I'm going to put it right into the hole and then clean out the area. That'll keep any burrs from going around it, and it'll give me a clear target to where my nut and bolt goes through. Now that I found my other hole, I'm gonna go ahead and clean out that area. Nice hole. Then we're going to line up those bolt holes. Once you got all 4 in, hand tight, and the reason why I do that is because if you tighten 3 of them, you're going to find out that that 4th one is just not going to line up right. So while everything's loose, you can put them in and tighten them up. Just don't forget to tighten them up. So we're going to snug them down. So once that's all attached there, go ahead and pull your seat on back, get your stuff, put your kinetic rope in, jumper pack in. So now all your stuff is in. Let's shut the trunk. Now, when this is locked, people can't get to your stuff. Even if they open the seat and reach in, they still can't get back there because it's all sealed up, and those are carriage bolts, so they're not going anywhere. So I didn't use the wrenches because I have a nut driver. So I used a 10mm socket and a 13mm deep well to attach it. I did keep my ratchet just in case I wanted to snug some stuff up. I didn't use the knife because I used a soldering iron to make my holes. When you use a soldering iron, you will make a nice clean hole and there won't be any fraying going on like the knife, plus it's nice and round. I did not use the nut zerts because I already had some installed where a previous trunk might have been in there, I'm not sure. I didn't have to use the drill bits because the nut zerts were already in there. So overall, this should take about a half hour. I would recommend having somebody to assist you. As you can see, I assembled it upside down because that way everything stayed together and it wasn't flopping all around. It would be really difficult without an additional person to help you. So those are my extra hints and tips. Thanks for watching. I'm Matt.
And I'm Randy.
And this has been an install video on Frog, our new 97 Jeep.
Yep.
That was her birthday present.
I was just going to say that.
She wanted something to lock up her stuff in the back because she always likes that. And so, happy birthday. Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.